to use OmeTV mobile tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your OmeTV in your mobile device. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just search for OmeTV, and after that just go ahead and download the application in your device and just open it. And once you are done installing the app, just come here and set up your account. Just allow all the permissions for the OmeTV app to access your camera, your audio and other details. And after that, once you are there in the app, just click on the settings bar from the top right corner, and after that in the settings, the first option that you will see, it says select your language, so you just click on it, and after that there are a bunch of different language options available that you can choose from, and after that just select them as your default language. And below that you will be able to see chat rules, so you can read through the chat rules while talking to different people in OmeTV. You need to keep these rules in mind while talking to a person on OmeTV online, because if you break any of these rules, your account might get banned in future. So in order to reduce the risk of banning your account, just read through these rules and just follow them while talking to the people. And after that you will see the option called user agreement, in which you will be able to see that all the permission that you have given to the app in the OmeTV in your mobile device, their agreement and other details as a user, you can read through them as well. And then there is privacy policy. So these are the basic settings options that are available in the OmeTV settings device. And after that you simply have logout option here. And below that you will be able to see the option called delete profile. So if you want to delete your profile, you can click on it and delete it later on. And once you come to the home screen, here you will see that it is your profile, and you can use different emojis and different options while talking to different people in the OmeTV app. So this is the basic that you can follow while using your OmeTV in your mobile app. So yeah, this is how basically you use OmeTV in your mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.